Hey guys, I want to show you just a software that I use to run my business on autopilot. This is what you're gonna see a lot of my videos being recorded on. And I just want to show you the whole setup that I have going on right now so it can help you in your business. So right now, we're gonna start with the Google Doc or anything you can write on. This has, helped me so much. I can make products quickly, even if it's a free product. It doesn't matter. I can make it quickly. It looks clean with Google Docs. So that's one of the softwares I'm going to use. When you have thoughts, write it out and you can publish it as a product after you go back and clean it up, etc. Write it down. If you want to do a screen recorded video, you can present from Google Docs or, a presentation or Canva, etc. Amazing, amazing, software to have. Next, I'm recording this video with Loom. This is the desktop version right here, but I'm recording it with Loom right here. This is what I'm using to record this video. It's super clean. And what's also amazing is it connects to your iPhone. So if you have the newer versions of iPhone, you're able to use your iPhone as a webcam. So I'm shooting this from my iPhone. You can use it with your regular camera. So this is another software that I'm going to use. You can make it bigger, smaller. We can take it off. We can, make it the whole screen, etc. So this is what I am using to record my screen. And what's also cool about Loom is you can pause the video real time. You can do this on Zoom as well. Zoom just takes a little more learning. CapCut, I'll probably have it as the last software in this video. This is an amazing software. I make a lot of my stuff with CapCut. So there's a lot of videos that you guys are seeing. We can actually walk through one right now. So amazing thing about it, this is a simple edit. We'll scroll through it. I have a text file right here and I keyframed it. Let me know if you want to know more videos about stuff like this. I keyframed the color. So as you see, as we scroll, just another, visually pleasing aspect of the video that you're going to notice. Another cool thing you can do, and I'll actually mention this in another video, is say we're going to make this one clip, compound clip. You can actually extract audio and then you can export just the audio. You can put it in Adobe Podcaster and edit the audio so it's clean audio. I might have done it with this one actually. I want to show you a little bit on how to make your video. It's going to remove background noise, etc. Or you can just use CapCut and do vocal isolation and just vocal, and then you can even use enhance or reduce noise and get a pretty decent sound in here. And these are just some of the tools on doing a screen recorded video, put it in CapCut, edit it, and now you have a nice video. You see Loom is very clean. You see how Loom, your webcam looks pretty good in this software, and it's super clean. So you can do some professional screen recording, and just know I'm using a camera. It's like at an angle, but you can have a camera in front of you, etc. So this is, some of the softwares that I'm using to run this video, and we're showing this in the academy. So guys, it's so important that you learn this stuff so you're not sitting online wasting your time. The academy is going to show you everything. This is going to be in the viral clipping academy. It's going to show you how to use this software at a high level. It's going to do a phenomenal thing for your business because you're going to be able to do more educational stuff. You'll be more valuable to the marketplace. You're going to be able to offer value to a lot of people and warm them up, and they're going to want to buy whatever you have to offer. So if you want more stuff like this, that's going to bridge the gap from no sales, low leads to upgraded business. You're going to learn this all in Academy. This is just one of our academies. It's probably around 9 hours just for this one academy that's going to break down just this aspect of your business. Drop Academy in the comment section, or if you've seen it on YouTube, it'll be in the description. Have a good one.